Welcome to DeFi Render Series 2. In this series, I am going to let you know about the product details, what is the workflow, and for whom it is solution for, and how to get the resources, and how to download it, and what is the subscription plans and all the things. Let me go with one by one. So just go to Google and then type www.defirender.com. So you get a browser like this. And the first option we have is a DeFi render. So when I click on the DeFi render, it is telling me to click on the start for free, create in real time, leading design and visualization solution with built-in AI capabilities. So you can just click on the start for free option, or else here you can have a free download option. So if you want to download the DeFi software, you just click on the free download option. Before that, you have to log in with your Gmail ID. Then next, and what it is, how it is, the basic introduction is covered in this video, so you can watch it. And you can just come down here, scrolling down. So view your design live. So it is a live sync. The special character of this DeFi render is live sync. Whenever you are working with the Google SketchUp, 3ds Max, Reno, Revit, and any type of 3D rendered softwares, normally we import this 3D models into particular rendering softwares. So I hope you know about the Lumen. V-Ray is by default, but the Lumen is a separate rendering software. In that case, once we complete the exterior or interior model, we have to save it and we have to import it separately. Even for that also we have a live sync. Either you import the model separately or else you get a live sync plugin. But here in this side also we have a live sync option. You can directly sync your 3D models into DeFi. That property we have in the DeFi. And then handy tools. The tools are very easy. We have a path option, brush option, fill option to fill any vegetation or any type of material into your required area. And then here we have a real-time lighting also. Easily you can change the atmosphere setting into day view to evening and night. Here how you can see the effect. So with respect to time and date also you can change the effect. And one-click weather creation. If you want to create a sunny weather or rainy weather or snow kind of environment to your exterior or interior model, easily you can do those settings in one click by using this cloud option, snow option. Precipitation is nothing but a rainy effect, fog effect. You just click on option here to get the particular effect to your model. Next, why is the DeFi means? It is 10x faster output. So within a fraction of a second you can create a high quality, HD quality, 4K quality, 2K quality, Ultra HD quality outputs you can produce by using this DeFi render software. And even you can create an animation, you can create a panoramic views, you can connect your VR, that is virtual reality. I'm just clicking on the product option. In that we have a system requirement. Yes, obviously as like a Lumen software, we should have a better system requirement to operate this DeFi. DeFi is a real-time ray tracing rendering tool. So it requires a very high quality RAM and graphics, that is NVIDIA graphics you should have. And then Windows 10 you should have, and then NVIDIA GTX 10206GB, it is I think minimum. And if you have a RTX graphics card with a digit of 2060 and 3080 is well and enough to operate with this software. And even if you have a AMD Radeon and Intel Arc graphics card, then you can easily work with the DeFi. So this is how we call it as a benchmark works. Benchmark is nothing but the basic system requirement. Depending on that, whether the DeFi render is working with your available systems or not. Next, the DeFi we can use it for the teams. Okay, you can collaborate your work with each other and you can work as a team. And DeFi is available for education purpose also. And then I'm just clicking on the workflow option. So as I told you, DeFi render is used to create a renders But before that we have to create a 3D models. That 3D models you can create in the SketchUp. The DeFi render is available for the SketchUp, 3ds Max, Revit, Rhino, ArchiCAD, Blender, and even C4D and Vectors. This is the workflow. Next, the solution. Yes, the DeFi render is solution for the interiors to do their interior views. Either it may be commercial, interior, or any type of project. And it is useful for the landscape also, because we have a plenty of landscape options, vegetation, painting options are there in the DeFi, and it is a solution for the architect also. Next, in the resources. So in the resources you can attend the live webinar from the DeFi render, and then we have some blogs, and even you can create your scenes, and you can go with the help center to get more help from this website. And we have a community, you can join with the communities. Okay, so you can join the Facebook or YouTube. And in the gallery we have outputs, what type of outputs we get in the DeFi. So this is how you can get the very high quality outputs with the different types of day effect, rainy effect. So it is totally available for all the interiors, architects, civil engineers, builders, the people who are wanted to do their exterior and interior models. Any kind of projects you can do in this render. This is the gallery. And at the last, if you are thinking that how to download the DeFi render, just go with this website, and then you can click on the download option, and then here we have a download option. Already 2 million plus users are working with this DeFi render. Click on the download option. So here you get, okay, so now the version is 2.102, and once you click on the download, you can sign up it, and then you can just click on the open file and install it. Then it's ready to use. And let's come to the pricing now. You can choose your plan depending on your convenient. Okay, so it is for the community with free to use, and if you are looking for the pro versions, and then you can just pay with this amount. And if you are working with the team, then you can go with this. We have 3 kinds of subscription plans. So what are the difference between these two? You can read it. Okay, so we have some features, those are not available in the free, although you can get in the subscription plans, like huge quality of the libraries you get, virtual reality you get, okay, project merging you get. These are all the different features you can get extra if you go with the subscription plans. And if you are working with a team, then you can go with this plan. So, and DeFi for education, the people, the students, educators and academic institutions, you can go with this and you can apply. So this is the total workflow of the DeFi. I hope you enjoyed this series. Stay connected to get the next one.